Wagwan ENT.
That's right, indeed. Into the Sting 91, the Sting Doggon himself. This is Charlie Chaplin. Yes, man. Hold it, Derek. Now we don't know what's up. We don't see me. We don't know where they're near. Digging business and funeral business. Well, anyway, we don't pay no money if you come see what we don't see. So me no in no referee thing tonight. Anyway, the two man them there, big up Supercat and big up Ninjaman. And right now we are get down to business. But first, I have to take care of some little aspect of things. Some man I tell people about them a die-hearted dog heart. But we are die-hearted God heart. Because if you are dog heart, anything dog do, you will do it too. So hear this. Come out, boy. Dedicate to our nice and decent people. All youth and youth, we are original God heart. Look. Said anything dog do, dog heart, we do it too. Push up your one and make me sight your nozzle. Anything dog do, dog heart, we do it too. Push up your one and make me sight your nozzle. Dog a gonna riot, dog heart, we got it too. Dog yam shit, dog not we yam it too. So, push up your one and like a hold dog. Original God heart we are deal with. And next thing again, a man has said them a rude boy and them a this and them a that. And yet still them a use police escort come and sting. Now, we not deal with the police thing. We just come out all because we are no informer. You what? Me with me die as a old prisoner more than live as an informer. Champion sound. Me with me die as a old prisoner more than live as an informer. The informer fi dead. Them fi dead. Informer fi dead. Them fi dead. Come, push up your one no like no informer. Shout it out no like no informer. Make me say no like no informer. Easy man. I just some ice in where I put on the cake. Now, Admiral Bailey, hold it down. Admiral Bailey, Papa San, and Tiger. You should have really come up here back, come give the people what they want. Because them come to see clash and time hard, they pay 100 and hard. I know up here DJ like you don't have sister and brother. But first, when a man touch me, me have to touch him, and Tiger touch me, because me a speng. And him do a tune, boy, when you button up your short collar, you a speng, and you got teeth and hang. So here what me have to say, hey Tiger, me think me and you did a friend. And me used to put you when time your career end. But now you do a tune and you know say me bend. Because you disrespect spend. But you tell you a big up the police name leng. Is it that you are informer or you afraid of them? So take up it up and hold on. Original. Man, just like how I place a bus up so. Come in ninja. Come in ninja. And for that, hold on. Anything test dead. Come. They will call it champion flash. Champion flash. Because them full of charitable and for the champion flash. Champion flash. Champion flash. Go on now for when me now go come back. Yet must have had me did a cool out of that. Hold me big gun with them call Glock. The Babylon them no one give me back. No one sting on the gog on top. From the mic and me thought it touch that me get champion flash. Here it is. Good boy. I wouldn't make you go further without a call in Supercat. Come in Supercat. Derek, you better take the wings of the morning and the uttermost part of the sea. You better take the wings of the morning and the uttermost part of the sea. You know why? This a return of the Dan Gargan and anything testing ninja them is a dead man. This a return. Big up Dirty Arena, the place original Roughneck Police and Bigger Ford. Come in, Supercat. Go. Now, easy, Dave. Easy, Super Dave. When we are lick the 45, them are foreign dog bread. Shaman. Yo, I beg you to clear off for the roller. I go to this so the camera for run up and down. Last year when me sit down here, so when me say? When me sit down here, so last year when me say? Send them come. Send them come. Yo. Warning, I'll got to clear the shock of their parties coming. And if I post the Quint is killing on it, because out of make me come down, make me come down. Oh! Now watch me now. Forgive them, Father, because they don't know what they have done. They've raised the Father against the Son. If there is the killing have to be done. Hold on! How we are the cat? I'm going to Bible, boy, I read Psalms. Ninjaman do anything here, the kind of do one back from a gunshot. Go down. Let go to the right and let my enemies scatter. Let them that get me flee before me and smoke. If I wait so drive we as wax meant for fire. So we can press the presence of God. Let rise on big glad and make that big glad sing. And to God sing praise to them and next time, right, my name is my name. Sure. And to the beauty of the fire. Hold on, wood boy. Hold on. Cat. Yeah, I'm a brother, yeah, I'm a father, yeah, everything. Ninjaman, man, your brother. Hear me now. Hold on. Listen when me talk. Just go in and read him. Yo, you know why I'm going to murder you this morning? Ninjaman, let's go in and murderation. Do what you do. Him. Boss. Him. Boss. That boy, yeah. Pussy, boss. That boy, yeah, come and go abroad. Boss. Me the hungry man with box down your pussy. Talk. Me bust you with me gun in your face. No, do it. Me have my gun for me, don't play. Do it, pussy. Do it. Do it, pussy. You hear me? You hear me? You hear me? I don't make the pretty paper talk, man. It's a ninja come with violence. Who don't go away? Ninja, come on. Boy. Read him. You watch me, cat. You box me, you do me anything. I can murder you with lyrics. I can murder you with lyrics. He said, a long time me they call cat and him just feel free come. Supercat stop you coming and come. What? Chaplin come out for the stage, just me and Ninjaman alone. Leave, fast. Talk a little 9 lyrics. This boy, I walk and tell people about Ninjaman I take coke. The first time me get coke and Supercat me get it from. Glad you know that, me. Yeah, hear me? Walk like me and walk talk. Rhythm, go in and rhythm. Listen up, talk. Lyrics we are dealing with. I'm not addicted to no drugs. Cat me warn you. I'm not addicted to no drugs. Tiger want me. Because me go up in and me go check Tiger. Me and him sit down like a 2-bird feather. Him say ninja, me want you listen ya.
Me not kin teeth and me not go green. But I'm big and me roll like a living barrel. Now me take the crack, me get maga and thing. So if you go down it and me say pay them sin. I'm not addicted to no drugs. Me they tell you, I'm not addicted to no drugs. Let me look for your test, eh? You know we're having a conference tonight, and this conference is to see that sense illegal, So I say, come on, each and every one. Let us talk to the prime ministers and leaders of the opposition, one. And tell Supercat we are going to legalize the herb, and we will get rid of the coke man them. Oh, Supercat!
Ninjaman here, my man, me love you. Well, so when the star keep up the fucker, but never talk about gunfire. When my gun range, the people can't talk for house and dead. Me, all of that talk about Dan Gargan, me a gun there, me have it for me, I left it in the car, it not the far. Me and it's far.
Where's the hour?
Hear me, road boy. Read him. I don't know the talking. Read him. Forgive them, Father. They have raised the father against the son. Now if it's their who have the killing up and down. Hear me now. Me cry, killing pussy, I'm kill them for fun. Killing pussy, I'm kill them for... Bomba clad down on the mud. Come down again. Take me kin teeth, me kick out teeth.
Jamaica people, hold it, Derek Barnett, hold it. When me say, me not teach you no bullshit. Here I'm going to kill Supercat intelligent now. Come rude boy, and just give me rhythm slow and easy. Next time, you remember.
Ready for your road boy.
You remember. Here's 2 for 1. And look at. Yeah, cat. Before you die, my friend, seek the Lord. Reach out and touch him now, and believe in his word. Confess your sins to him. Supercat, I can murder you now. Before you die, seek the Lord. Yeah, me want to reverse the earth when me put in the dead. Long time me kill it to no hear when me said no one.
Ease up. Saturday them road boy, can't Ninjaman, you know we not can change, and we alone can do it. Jesus Christ, we're nice. What am I talking about? Watch me. There's this feeling coming over me, and it's the strangest feeling that I ever have. Like a cloud in the sky, it brings tears to my eye. My friend just the pussy and tonight judge I know him gonna. What do you hear me? Like give me pass, I'm gonna kill the pussy fast and hold. Selassie, come down. Come down.
Now you can talk. The last lyrics you have Supercat, me know that you are gonna lose your life. And if you tested and gargan in a stadium, no, you are gonna dead tonight. But don't forget the ruling that I know it's gonna be. It's the Dan Gargan. Me and your brother, I'm respect you. Boy, you hear me? I've got the permit to bury on the lives of the kill.
Read him. Come down with the answer. Answer. Road boy. Original answer. Watch me now. Selassie, I know. Request to all spanglers and junglers and everybody in here. I will not get it. Done for them and a done for I man. Done for them and a done for I man. Done for them and a done for I. Listen up, pussy, you must understand. Never hear about Kublai Khan, and you hear about Genghis Khan. The other day was Natty Morgan. Then they matter about the once and the Khan. And they matter about Dan Gargan. But Mr. Cat him a dance up. Me cry, dance for them and a dance for you, man. Hold!
Yo! Me will shut a man in our crowd. If a man next back up, I me shut a man next.
If a next pussy fling a back, me shot anyone out of the side on the face. Any pussy.
Yo, cat.
Watch me.
Cat, yo.
Suck on the mama, me do that.
Yo, easy,
easy, gun for me.
Easy, people, easy. Easy.
Stop that. Stop on the mama.
Easy.
Police blocker, come in.
Yo. Hey, yo. Hold on. Hold this, man. Let me tell you one, eye for an eye and tooth to the law again. No eye for an eye and tooth to the law again. Oh Lord, yes, I'm dreaming of a new Jamaica, a land of peace and love, and all who believe in love must sing this gospel.
Yeah.
No, that's a wrong thing, that's a wrong thing.
Too many people on the
Last
stage,
year, no,
please.
do the same thing, me telling you, that's a wrong thing.
Too many
know what
people on the stage. Will all the people on the stage please come off right now? Clear the stage, please.
Yeah, hear me?
Aloysius, the Admiral needs you.
Hold on. Hold on, man. Hold
We
on.
must clear the stage.
Hold on now. Hold on now. No, hold on now. Cat on my brother. Cat on my blood.
All right.
You see me and Cat? A DJ, we are DJ. When Ninja Ford, them little son. When my little son, they were named Ninja Ford. Come here, me picnic. When them man? Me get one picnic, I me not even know him. I post me, I gonna know him tonight, you know. Me I beg gonna do. From tonight and from this morning, make it your point of duty to let your decency counteract your piggish mentality and don't bring no stone on anybody. Me love you no. No lick them down. I mean, me love you no. If you kill him, you kill me. Yeah, man. Can't help me write lyrics when me couldn't make lyrics myself, man. Yeah, man, me don't forget where me I come from, man. Saying, me love Cat and Cat help me to reach where me I go. Saying, oh no, lick him down. Early be walk with me, carry protection, go garage around there, so me put back and bun me in a sun. Cat and Early be help to put Ninjaman where he is now. Oh no, ready for we work? You hear me? Them people that say me want hear me spell my name. Are you ready for me spell my name? Can't you hear me want to see you back on the stage, you know? Jesus Christ, look for me picnic. At the first me see you, my son, your mama doing well. Tell me if your mother alright, my dear child.
Yes, daddy, man.
Yeah, man, him happy birthmark, yeah, see ya. Well, I'll give you the order of things and to kill anything when me not there. Because when I come back, I only hear one man defending him father and it's you. I hear every boy talking about gun panties like they can't take it off. This is original 2-pint talk. No, heel back and chop up your head back and nobody don't know you chop. What don't know? Come rude boy. Oh, come at me a Ninja Ford. We're Ninja Ford, Mike. Alright, my boy. Tell them, man. Yeah, me. You want to see the other day, you know. Me there, and me look, me see people them house bun down in a Ninja Ford. And when me look, me see me can't find no food for you. That's why you know see me so long, you know. And me go check a old lady, you know. And the old lady look at me and say, Ninjaman, no worry yourself. Guess what woman tell me, say, no, you know. Bring them all, bring them all. Bring them all to Jesus, and he will turn your sorrows back into joy. Black people, tell them something, Ninja.
Yeah, man, let me just line out something and tell your daddy. You want me line out something, yeah, man. Me telling enough of them who never did want to see me and Ninjaman to turn into good friend. Them in one Ninjaman, my father, to come from me and throw me down in the den. Watch them tell some no papa since you got you me say. In the eyes of the people, enough of them they want me father be dead. Let me tell you when they
yeah, let me tell them something. It's like only a ninja can kill a ninja. Nobody can touch your living papa boy. Only a ninja can.
watch out. Run the real rap with him now, the real rap. Watch out. Me no one. Me want to listen to the Dan. The son of Ninjaman. Now look, watch out. Say them a talk about me a this, me daddy. But me nah follow them for them a living dopey. Them a talk about me a this, me daddy. But me nah follow them for me a living. Because, listen me ladies, me say can gentleman. Ninja first and then me come second. Me a the son Ninjaman, the old man. Lead up on the rhythm and then me turn long. Right and now want to listen to the dance. Watch how me pose and now how me go long. Me knocking it on microphone stand. Hey, pop boy like him want this to dance. Send for me daddy when name Ninjaman. We got the finger shape like a M1. Lick up the pussy them, put on them and because.
Yeah, let me sing to them. Well, I know. You see the penis then come with me the American sit down. And my son can tell me how they out there take liberty, you know. As me step off of the plane, guess what me say no? Yeah, let me tell them to my son. I said the old town looks the same as I step down from the plane. And there to meet me, Jamaican posse.
Yeah,
You
man.
know what happened? Out the airport, me look and people plenty. You know what? Me think I sing start already, but you don't know what? Guess what now? It's good to touch in the shining sun again. Now me return. This are the sound of the gunman cobra get up and cable and run this a return.
Watch out. Them things that me daddy did not stand in a fire and a come back a Jamaica man. But what I'm telling some Jamaican people. Watch out. Me tell them who said that.
Firefox, you don't come here.
Yo, give me one different rhythm. Give me one different rhythm.
Now look. Alright. Now you hear me?
All nice and decent Jamaican people.
Hold it, road boy.
Watch out.
You hear me, son? Lend them two not to their mic for me now.
Yeah,
Lend
man.
them the mic a minute.
Papa, me on those tents for a little while and cool. See?
Yes! You hear me?
man. What?
You see when Mandela come, a minute there. You know when I go front of Mandela and sing? Come road boy.
Yeah.
Oh Lord my God.
Your
The
image
black
and
people
likeness
that
of
suffer.
can see the raw
Skin, bone and flesh would bear. I look at the stars and I listen to the rolling thunder. And these are the words front teeth, gold teeth, and Gorgon say.
Listen!
Strengthen my soul that I may gain the glory. How great thou art.
What one ENT?
How gone and gone. Well, I know. You think me I finished that the prayer then? What you know? Lead me, oh, my Lord, lead me, oh. Lead me home, good Lord, lead me home. There, man, it come at me, make sure people are wicked. When my way draweth near, precious Lord, linger near. Let me lead by the light of the moon. Hear my cry, hear my call to the land. Stand bold, take my hand, precious Lord. watch out, come follow me, march. Now with the Almighty, man, every step up the way, Ninjaman, we follow it, come follow me, move. Now with the Almighty, every step up the way, Ninjaman, we follow. Thou shall not steal me, not go rob nobody. He would tell me not to commit adultery. That's why me not in a bun. And to me lady, take time me queen and take time me honey. This a sin to me, come to tell everybody. Come here go talk to each and every one. I'm here go turn to the damn pastor man. I'm manly and see ya gajaman. A reality you no want. Let me hear you know the Dan gone. What we say? A reality you no want. Let me hear you know the Dan gone. You don't know what happened? Now Mr. Manley and Mr. Siaga. Open up a satellite dish. Come in, I'm going to bring no badness to Cat. Cat is a black man. Mr. Manley and Mr. Siaga have phone no time now. Come and take police and kill a rude boy and rude boy and kill a police. And people don't get to us for wild rice up to $16 a pound. We're going with boss.
BAM! Pussy head mash up, man. For real.
Let me tell you, say the system, black people, the system. The system in Jamaica is a fraud. The system, black people, the system. The system in Jamaica, watch out. When me I leave, yeah, I go America. When me I left, yeah, I go America. 1 pound of rice, Mr. Kelly Rasta. $2.50 and you got that pooper. Jesus Christ, when me come back here, me have to hold me head and say, what? Ballad of mercy and ball me mama. Rice at $16 answer. How the poor man a go paper. Listen me ladies and a gentleman. When me check out for his own woman, when them get them pay 215 of them man, how them a go buy price and food a man, how them a go buy chicken back for them, Mr. $9 at the chicken back, you know man, so chicken back no more of the damn poor man, everything now for the society man, I got legalize the gun, I make we defend the poor people them, let me tell you, no legalize the gun, I make we defend, yeah you know, well I know. Yeah, when me I go tell Mr. Manley now. When we stand up and fight, we never fight for labor right now, PNP. We fight that black people live in one God, one name, one destiny. All labor right, let me see no finger go sir. And all PNP, let me see no hand go sir. And all who love peace, let me hear no say bam bam. Who want the Prime Minister? Who want the Prime Minister? Me ball, no call it doctor, no call it nurse, no call manly get worse. No call it doctor, no call it nurse, no call the yaga get. Them tell you about them poor people first. One tell you money in your pocket burst. The two of them word it turn out to a curse. Black people know me say them a liberals. We say no call it doctor, no call it nurse, no call oh yeah, no Manley, me with techie. Michael Manley say me with techie. Yeah, hear me? It's a give in a foreign country. Ninjaman Rasta do me no want it. You a give me 1 to unload the money. Ninjaman me say me no want it. But if you look about the poor people pick me, Ninjaman I man ready. Take it. Michael man let me with take it. Yeah hear me? Listen me now Mr. Siaga. Listen me now Michael Manley. If you not fix up Riverton City, fix it you make it clean and pretty. Take your vehicle and drive all round. From Tower Island Mall Road come down. Greenwich Farm where you walk up and down. And see your people are suffer all round. Listen me ladies and a gentleman. Beverly's man have your separation. Had the poor little damn ghetto man. Have to use the park with him hand. And a day not get nothing up in yam. Make me see all the Dan Gargan. We down in your hand a separation. And not decide to take one damn. Make me, yeah hear me? Me gone here, man.
Check. Yes. Hold it down. Only a ninja can kill a ninja. But me screw pound no still. We no shouldn't fling pan cat.
Yeah, man, me beg.
We no should have make we see where I go on and him shouldn't fling pan on either. Same.
Well,
anyway.
Cat a bad boy like me, you know. Cat determined.
Anyway.
He's gonna be dead with him, gun in him and him now go dead like you know me attack.
Look how man dressed like master woman. Morning master, master.
Not master who. My name is Pongsi Young.
Well, anyway, you never there, I was there. And a little DJ. He must say name baby something and next. If him a baby, him stay in a crib. Baby Wayne. I talk about say, when bad boy go to prison, them a ball for them mama. But I know every rude boy go to prison go ball. Cause when me and you there prison.
Hold on. When baby Wayne talk about rude boy, him a ball right Chaplin. Rude boy is rude boy, I'm bad man, a bad man. Me bust my gun at any square. Bad man. Boy, hold them corner.
Of course.
Yeah, when me tell baby Wayne say no. You saw me bad for my mama. Mama, look if you see me M1, me say like disrespect me, I go shot.
Yeah.
You kill everybody.
You hold it. You take your M1 and shut off Mr. Leng right hand. But when me mother come here, when me say, me just look pan her man and say, Mama, no bother with no preparation, just hold the tension and no bother mention. Mama, no bother. Hold on.
Me look pan them and me say, can't do the time, no bother with the crime. So me go rob a bank and me selling a bigger food that come. You know what me do? Me have me second. Second, me want you go me go try for bigger food, take the can and life I go down second. Me want you pass the 16, me I go shot Mr. Lengham. You see when Leng get shot the other day, me never up and me never play. Leng a talk about a policeman, but a foreign ninja man stand. You know man a shot out Leng spine, you know must understand mama. Oh no.
Come here, man. Anyway, you turn a foreign and shut out Leng's spine, you're good. Now, we want the vibes so cool. See? So we are going to tell Cat say for me in place, in other place, if you just come up back and come work.
Yeah, hear me?
Any Cat there, if you just come up, come work.
You see, Cat, I'm a DJ. I want to rope and get that two cat at a bomb and a coke. I see me. I am the eyes of the people. And me know when me I go tell the youth them. Me have to laugh when Supercat talk. Me have to laugh when Lico Twitch him talk. Me have to laugh when Chabo Rankin talk. Me have to laugh when Panedim talk. Me have to laugh when Roddy Irie talk. Them talk about Coke Gargan. Coke Gargan. That's what they call the urgent 30 gold in but Dan Gargan call me Coke Gargan. Coke Gargan. But me I go tell no city when none of them. Bandolier. You see now them just like Ninjaman. Elegant is like a decent man. You see now them move like Ninjaman. Give reality that you can understand. Listen me ladies and a gentleman. Cook them a talk about it me mention. Me I go tell you same thing, you know man. Them not know about coke, them not know one damn. To each and every one, this is the explanation. Who no read the Bible from hand to hand. When they tell you about the mark of the beast and the land, and the same coke, the Bible and the debate pan. If we rotten down your bone and make you dead, you know man. The fittest of fittest shall survive, you know man. A hunger that you get and live from coke direction. No pala Supercat and the rest a mad one. Supercat him and me brother, but he must understand. Me have to test this it, no to teach the youth man. How me I go tell you say the same thing wrong. And me don't know about it, they must live a mad man. Me are the eyes of the people. Me have to know when me I tell the youth them. Yes, me are the eyes of the people. Me have to, you know what me tell them? Me tell them, help them tap, help them. I say, come up for the coke and then come up for the crap. Now them I tell you some big joke rasta, but you take your money, go to Jug Rehabilitation Center. When you go there and you get better months after you fell in love and you get left and gone round corner, gone to wine with Peter, make sure the one name tiger, you start to fret and worry and I walk, you're going back to start. But you have one same thing where God give them called willpower. If you stand up and say, me nah lick no more of that ball here. Nobody make you touch and cross the bar. That's what I'm not addicted to no drugs. Me they want them, and me just show them, tell them Chaplin.
Well, hold it, Derek.
You know what?
When you come here,
You
the
know
people
what?
there out here mourn for you, and you never tell them what going up a foreign. So long you not come.
All right. Me never there, don't. You want me show no me wicked? I wish part in the stadium the man get shot and dead. We are the first nation in the world start to ball say Mandela for free. Why Mandela for come in the stadium a footballer? Nobody there Jamaica we are young people. Make me ask you something, Mr. Manley, Mr. Siago Society. Make me ask you. Me ball Mandela, come on bring him in the stadium. Make never go a jungle, go walk up and down. Me telling him, Mandela, come on bring him in the stadium. Make never go to Valley, go walk. Remember when Selassie I come out of airport, them on top their nung. Jelax and ball let them walk up and down. Lick them chalice with a straight pan the ground. When Mandela him blasted come like a monkey who no cage him man nung. Lock him up and show him say in stadium make me stay and me lick all manly and say I got straight pan the ground come on. Make me tell you no thing right and nung. The man should have day a rima a sit down. Down a jungle a cook food right and nung. Make my road man them give him drink fi sit down. Show him all Jamaica people loving you know because we are no fool, we are no clown. Walking from country bringing straight to town. Mandela should wear an eye crown. How do them say that we run the town? Push up your one, me say background master. If you know say you love Mandela, make me see who love Ninja. Push up your one and put up. So who love me more Mandela? All right. Derek Barnett, you want me mad them people behind here? I got mad them. Give me rock and roll tune. You hear me? You wanna rock and roll? 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 You hear me? How could you say that you love me, baby, and you matter people you don't care? How could you say that you need me, darling, and you turn around and disappear? In the night when I'm sleeping, baby, this the vision of the song you should hear. True love don't walk out, no matter what they talk about. A boy, you're wicked, alive. Yo, who never see me talk so long? Which one I never see me talk so long? That means that now look, whenever time I'm on the stage, don't you mention Planet. Planet is a little bit of shit, it's what I mean. You can simple later on.
Hold it there. I don't ready for work yet. Tiger come in. And Admiral Bailey. Make things go on. Shane.
And now, Papa San just said it. We are ready to bring on stage. No wonder God. No wonder.
What up now? What up now? We have your one if you know you are done. Hold up your one up to the my champion. Jump around to the attic and run. See them at the level, see them at the level. We're gonna burn a minute, 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 burn a minute.
We could go on with things now, man. Admiral, step up. Because we are born for brethren. We don't deal with war. See, you know, just music and I deal with every time. Sing.
Yes.
Well, go on.
Okay. Okay, Dirty Harry. I'm Mr. Beagle Ford. I'm Saling. Okay. I'll say, how are you feeling? Hey, son! Yo! Big up! Big up! Big up! Big up! Feeling!
What's wrong? Simple. Things are one, things are good. And more time I tell me that they're gonna pull it down. No things are good, man. No things are one. And more time I tell me that. What the? What the wow? Make the girl look up and oh wow! And the rest are do that. Oh wow! Nothing is up on the gun. Because well if you wanna do the match on the yard, you know we have to wanna stop it.
Yo, but wait, son. No, differently. Bailey, everything alright. See, no send a respect to all people them who come from America, Canada, Japan, all over. You agree, son?
Right.
Alright, but wait, look for my face good. You for my face good. Where take me from? You think to me somebody could give quabs. You know what I mean? Yeah, all massive. I want him to tell, yo, red no, where take man for? You can't see how many guys them are. Red no, where take man for? You know, make him the sand, more sand, beating up the back. Me come again, me the run down, sand, more sand, beating up the back. You want you know me do? Come on, step up, no cycle, step up, he ain't no ball. Step up, no cycle, step up, no, we take my part. You see a mini good, we are the run up on the motor top, old man. You see me come back easier, man. Step up, boy, because you got down for us. This is the head I make you. What's that?
No, anybody with your pocket black, put your hand in the air and make your leg bounce on. Don't shut up for Mr. Water. Don't shut up for my great Tasha. Don't shut up for John Coyle Rock. Don't shut up for Batty Pala Rock. Batty Man Leg shut up for them. But don't shut up for them Batty boyfriend. Well, if you wanna, you know, I'm not Batty Man. And we have you wanna to stop it.
Billy, come in the water, Billy. Jeez, watch me. Say them a fight. Come on, me body, the girl them a war. Hold on. Hey, what a thing. Whoa. Give me more mic. Watch me again. Say them a fight. Come on, me body, the girl them a war. Come on, me bad. Fight. Come on, me body, the girl them a war. Man, you know I don't think nothing but this move. I don't. Where's nothing but it? Hold it. Stop it.
What a thing!
What a thing.
A circle niceness. People, are you ready? Boom! That's nice. Roll it again one more time, Saji.
Run it!
Watch me up. Watch me, people. Manager. Big on my stage, man. Watch me. Me have the lyrics. What you say, me DJ, man, me pull up on the lyrics. And DJ ever tell some mother turn him in a mimic. Implement mother cussing on the DJ spirit. Football in a me bed and the thing called cricket. DJ ever take it and I put it on plastic. No me I go show them how much me bombastic, authentic, gigantic, fantastic, romantic, mathematic, or English, established to the public. Mechanical, miscatechnical, football stand is official. Economical, international, free martial, no partial, missile is unusual. It is original, people lack potential. That's why I'm so cool. Have my quick. Stop it!
Alright. Billy, I've got something to say to him. Listen now.
Yo, you look on sun clothes. I just name brand thing that. You look on beer clothes. I just name brand thing that. You look on tiger.
Alright. Yo. Sun and tiger and Billy a chat. Sun and tiger and Billy a chat. Sun and tiger and Billy a chat. When you want the mic, you know you must have to rap. Sun and Billy, then they every chance. Sun Billy tiger man, then they every chance. Sun Billy tiger man, then they every chance. Chance. I want to all live a thing. We were on the women for way. I saying all the pussy. Mr. Billy Van Fit Reggae. Some chant can you ever reggae? Yes, yes.
Look at me, see them at the body, see them at the body first. I'm on the wall, you know me, got it. Make a play, you know with the verse. I'm in the microphone in it. Bitch, kick up on the rhythm like I'm just a leader. Come again, take up on the rhythm like a jacket. There's a man, but love is an egg, and it's a love is an arena. Come on, down, barrel. Me know you are singer. How when me come and dance, I'm the champion king.
Turn on the heat, come to turn on the heat. Tell you all of them, come to turn on the heat. Heat, come to turn on the heat. The whole of them, watch me. Listen, CDG run things this year. Tiger, Shabaranks and Ninjaman. But never underestimate the veteran. And me not just come me a foundation. I lead them fight, but the race long. Look the Admiral in the last hurler. What is that? Turn on the heat, turn on the heat. The whole of them. Come on, sir.
He's on the place, he's in the place.
Check.
All right.
Watch it now.
Hold on. Right.
Watch
Stop
it.
it rhythm. Stop it rhythm.
Yeah.
Hold on. Me name Pupa Chatterbox. No. You see Tiger.
Yes.
You see Papa San. You see Admiral Bailey. I know so now go show a long time, you know. And it's long time the three of we in the business. Every time them think we done with us, bounce right back.
Right.
Get we out.
Never.
See, you see, front night everything all right, and as we come, everything start get problem.
I understand it.
Too much heat.
Yes.
Too much heat.
Hello, guys. I want to big up all models in the house. You understand that everything is all right. See? No, all security masses, police and soldier, and all nurses and doctors, seeing a special, happy, prosperous New Year coming from all the entertainers.
Right.
You understand? All right. So, are you ready for the juggling?
Ready to get on my youth.
I get a joke, see? You see me, Tiger, Bonify, Penny Irie, all the Waterhouse, Massive, Rockford, Tivoli Garden and Jungle, 14 Pasha, Jamaica, Countryman. I want to see me out, say, me know, say, the whole of we love Ninja. See, I don't joke business, we have to unify ourselves, because me pray for Ninja come out. I mean, don't know for the item, do that, don't they? Right? Well, that we are dealing, so, and it's total niceness. See? Niceness. See? I was niceness.
Watch it now, man.
Niceness.
All right.
I was niceness. So me say, hold up on the mic and that enough Pupa San. All the people them want the lyrics. Hold up on the mic and me say, Chatty Billy. All the people them want the lyrics. Wow! Tiger fit. Wow! Billy energetic. Wow! He full of lyrics. Son! I come help me talk this.
When you're talking about son, you are talking about me. I am 5'6", nice personality. Not too fat, not too slim, a sexy body. I am a Jamaican, that's my nationality. Nice looking face, me I favor try me. My biggest problem, I am a one-day cherry. To be a millionaire, that is my fantasy. Because we have a lot of responsibility. Things get different in the society. You want an example, you feel listen to me. America and Russia, two biggest enemy. No time change and the two of them agree. America turn dog and now Russia turn flea. Govasha and George Bush, two of them a spree. Ronald Reagan love to wear calico jersey. Margaret Thatcher love to wear bingo backy. Fidel Castro dress up in a full khaki. Saddam Ali dress up like a military. Michael Jackson jeans itch up in 9 batty. White Jazz dressed like a gal bikini. Uva mouth big like Phil Lionel Richie. Tina Turner foot tough and she love real mini. You ever take a look at Dolly Parton titty? When the bus was the titty reach at the knee. Quickly labor right. Red for PFP. We are enemy.
Now you hearing me now? I'm going to start the pace just a little bit. All of the ganja man them want to follow me for now, because we can't take out the white lady and mash up the country.
Right.
Watch me. Come if we legalize the air. Come if we read all of the cocaine them. Hold on. Jesus. Can't take the coke business and mash up the country, man, Papa San, man. Affects. I'm telling you, man. Tiger affects.
Absolutely.
All right, sir. Want to follow me again, Panawana? Come here to legalize the herb. Come here to read all of the cocaine them. Let me tell you, legalize the herb. I get rid of all of the coke in them. Watch me, I go and leak out. They can't lick me from me mouth, I go and leak out. Because they can't get me out. It's the other woman for cloud that when them talk about. And beer badness, I when them preach about. That's why the DJ business gone down in that road. Legalize the herb, I get rid of all of the coke in them. That's true. Legalize the herb, I get rid of all the coke in them. Yeah. Practice freedom, me prove it already, it no make way out front. Wow! True crap, me no go dance. Wow! Me never want love me girl. Wow! Me never want go studio. Me never even want come look for you. Crack me done. Tiger take it and practice freedom. I suffer the ravages of drug abuse, and that no more I use. Wow! Cigarettes and shit the blues. Our marijuana that me chose. Practice freedom. Son and Billy Tiger go and make you one fun. Because things are funny down here. Things are touching. A man carry passport, we take a bus, go up here. A man a take a plane and car taxi fare. That and a nothing, just cool and beware. Because I'm more mad things I go here. Beginning nowadays, force ripe like a pear. Me 2-year-old son, teapot a van ear. Me 3-year-old daughter, she start with brassiere. Me old grandmother cripple in a wheelchair. A 8 young man and a Jerry curl ear. Me ear she a French cut panty she wear. A leg full of wrinkle, but she just don't care. George Bush is selling out all the nuclear. Because him get broke and living under welfare. Michael Asiago did a work with good ear. GG a sell star a sham sharp square. Nobody feel no way because I hear me a ear. The father not go give you more than what you can bear. The queen got a fat and a panty seat here. She call me yesterday and me say me nah gonna wear. She a look me but me just can't share. She must love me for me shiny eye and me pretty ear. Me have me girl already and me don't want to spare. The queen a old for go look a size and me dear. In a music business yellow man a pioneer. Me notice a one job poor him a wear. Oh my God, they no feel it and fear. We him have one and everybody have a peer. We is the DJ we shock here to ear. The force right DJ cannot compare. We try people mad and put them in a gear. Send them go and mad also not know that a wear. We not get caught when a bad boy come near. Because we are bad boy we always prepare. We not get caught when a girl come near. Lord me feel proud like a nice millionaire. But when me see a batty boy me start get scared. That's why me have to wear bulletproof underwear. Which is the enemy. And the buccaneer. Watch me. Say the method, some say the hinting. Most woman have a sweetheart and a darling. Yeah. Say the method, say the hinting. Most woman have a sweetheart and a darling. But I don't say if a 2-man you keeping, y'all don't say if you have sweetheart and darling. I don't say 1-man business that not say nothing. Most woman nowadays want a prince and a king. Say bird, he can't fly on one wing. That's why them have the giant 2-man system. But bun. Say them a give their bun. Sing. Say them a give their bun. Sorry, it looks like you're ready to talk a little piece. But before you talk a little piece, since night you're a DJ talk about, he never send no chat to me, still in the people. But you want to see one long time ago when me did cool out. You want to hear me talk of him more, but him want to brush me, you know. And him never get the chance to brush me, you know why? Because who no brush him for me? Because since night I hear him have to put on the mic. Lord, watch me. Me gone. Them be too long to come to me gone. Them be too long to come me gone. Hold on. Why? Hey, me say, what are you come on? Tap your rhythm. Tap your rhythm. Let me tell you something. You see me and them 2 man, yeah? As me say, if you check from 1987, man, every year we keep on stage for a mash down that. You see them man, me and the man are breaking. Me and the man can't have no clash. Lang, when you are clashing me with people, clash me with someone who come up and love call up people name. Don't clash me with veterans, because I don't curse veterans. I want some little zungbang young to step on them.
Right. Well, Almighty Bailey, as you know, when it comes to lyrics, the lyrics we teach. Sin.
Oh boy.
For years don't for yourself a guy test, there is no threat and special request to nobody. Run it.
Alright. Give me. Good. Stop it. I would like to have a change of rhythm, please. Sagittarius plays so lovely. Do you agree? I want to hear a lot of applause for Sagittarius man. Thank you. Yeah. Enemy, put on with him. No. No.
Every time.
Yo, son. You know we have some people. Them Bad mind them grudgeful, you know. I know son, me have to ask them, you know. We're dealing. We're really dealing. We're dealing. You're looking so from target, we're stealing. We're dealing. We're really dealing. We're dealing. All right, you know, we tell me, mix it. What? I want me have almost said that some of them things when me own almost said that I kill them. I want me have almost said that some of them. Me early, but that's almost said, steady. I'm going to satellite this. And that's some of them. Promise me up. And that I kill them. The way me talk to me fan. And I kill them. The way me jump us. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm going to style on me up. That some of them. But on me. Hold it. No. It's just for a sneak preview. See? Son. We have to go talk a little to the people. Let me throw it, Billy. Come on. Yeah.
Well, it's the truth. Is it true me can't tell the price of the food? I want to go on and the poor people don't feel it. Me I feel it out. For years without fear sin. So Admiral step cross.
Me there. Me don't go nowhere. Me be started.
You understand?
Anything.
Just the other day about 1 year back. When me live up on the hilltop, a lobster me eat every night for nightcap. Steak and rice when me eat round the clock. Cut me 12, put me foot pan a sack, turn on me TV and I watch Cinemax. Show me mind contented, me start get fat. All me jaw and me gills drop. For them raise up the food and them bring in the tax. That alone turn me in a riff raff. You say close? Me can't afford that. Me can't buy pants, shoes, nor socks. Food, make me take me mind off a shop. Cause last week me just 2 pounds of chicken. But me thief 10 crate tobacco from Reggae Sun Splash. Put down some of them 2 times I get rash. Sell 5 dozen and go buy some punash. Me have to put all of that Bangkok. Oh no, I look for me shoes and me socks. Lucky me lucky, that's why me get that. How will me just win them out of card pop? Because me just take out a mortgage by a Dutch pot. 1 pack of pad, who don't know much for that. Me no know cause me now wear frack. 1 pack of can have $12 flat. Me have to start buy more kids cup up. Just the other day me go a supermarket. In a me have my market basket. When me look on the food and read me price list, my God, me have new one and start to take stick. 1 pound of chicken $17.50. A pound of chicken back is for $8. 1 pound of rice is $6.60. 1 pound of salt is for $3.40. 1 dirty girl is for $8.70. You can imagine how much in the panty. $12 flat for pound of kidney and the cheapest part that but I'm on body. But crowd of people take a good look on it. You can imagine how much in me teely. $14 for pound of Irish. No mention cabbage, popcorn, lettuce, $43.95. That for all licks. I wonder old lady Ninjaman is with Cedric. 1 pound. Hold on! Lyrics! Take it up! $1 flat for your pack of cheese chips. $14 for your black shoe polish. Cornflakes got to $16.96 and a $48 for pound of saltfish. What a liberty I take with we national dishes. Look like we Jamaican have to change it. Me about a style we are run me district. See I rather in an Aki at the new brand lick. Then there's something make me wonder if we the poor people can take the pressure. When I $3.50 for count of flour, $3.40 for a pound of sugar, that gone up to $6 and a $8.10 for destroyer. What go down to make a corner when a $10.30 for toilet paper? Me I go follow me next door neighbor and start wipe me asshole with Sunday clean and them for dead. Them for dead.
Hold on, son. Wait it.
I'm the round one.
Me say, you don't tell them all. You don't tell them all there is to need about food. There's no other corner I can touch about food. You touch the toilet paper, you touch the soap, you touch the drawers. Hey, son, I see all of the hard suffering of the hard life of one. Who look good? We woman them.
My God Almighty, man.
Because the man make sure go down in her pocket and take out the last percent of her spend for her. I know where she left. So you me, tell you look good, tell you look good. Every time you a walk, man I cry for you. Tell you look good, tell you look good. Every time you a walk, man I cry for you. So then, tell her you shape under your cute face. Shape where you have a hit of the man medic. Tell her you shape under your cute face. Shape where you have a hit of the man medic. I hit a black the traffic and I cause earthquake. I hit a man and I make them heart break. When you put on the side, tell you look great. When you put on the short problem you create. Bicycle and bike man them can't ride straight. The car man them just a try be a break. Sing, tell her you shape under your cute face. Shape where you have a hit of the man. Tell you look good, tell you look good. Every time you a walk man I cry for you. Tell you look good, tell you look good. Every time you a walk man I tiger. You know, you see all that go on the GCT business. And that come for confused tiger. You understand? So, you are, me just go and deal the music, hear me? Give me the mic. You give me the goddamn mic. Give me the, he said, bolo, 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 bolo. Give me the mic. Give me the goddamn mic. Give me the, I hear me, me just want the mic and please everyone. All out the frustration. Make up, make them smile while I'm John. GCT, what a we man. But one thing, we have to take a stand. We have to come together as one. Just like sun, Billy Tiger. But now we have come, work together. Just to make the entertainment last longer. Why you know we have to get stronger? This is the tiger, that is sun. Over there's a Billy, never brother man. Why you know you don't style and pattern? We have you one, make a little, we are done. While it's all time, you love the tree. Hold on. Hold on. Just a minute. You see this new rhythm, yeah? You have a new rhythm, what them call it? And the one thing. No, hear me now. Throw me feet, you know. I see some people over this one, them see them want some of the junking talk.
Alright, sir. Talk junk.
I'll give them the win, you know.
You get stuck on them.
Hear me? A crowd of people. I want to take in them new style by me, Tiger Scene. And by the way, I want you lend me a pen. Call me out for write a style and it name. Win. Feel. Hey, Patsy and you, girl, Jim. I hear some of the big subcut of me square. I hear some black and blue at him. See? Come again. So the other day, me go to Japan. Win. What kind of money they spend? Yeah. 549, and when you want they spend. So me hear you leave some money. Win. Feel. Come again. Where the clock in London here? Big Ben. Two men a love up. Them a men. Put up me color where they call to Spain. So you like to rob and thief, you might think. Feel. Come again. So the other day, Shabba check me. When? Feel you have a new tune for me. When? You know me ever show up a London. When? You have one a New York too. When? You never even one a Canada. When? Feel. Come again. 5 and 5. Where you call it? 10. This a new tune going machine. Again. Where the bad boy police name Len. And bigger photo. 10. See it? Come again. But right now, it seems like they are them love it. We put up your hand here and say, boom, boom, boom. Tiger pan the rhythm. Why the body and ball out? Hold it. We got the kingdom war. Anybody who might like you can do this war. Stop it!
Run it, yeah, Sergeant. Run it. Running on Derek Barnett, man. Everybody put up an honor here, man. Hey, after half pint take when. Take it out, Sergeant. Watch me, man. After half pint take when me girl win some. Laugh off of me and then take it for fun. Then me come back and me go down to black summer. She can't left me through no money in her run. Searching for a girl and me couldn't get none. When me find what she say me have me pay down. Now me time you go to
One
the door with the
ENT.
to come back and go and you Kingston. Lord, you can't take it no more. Stop it!
Well, at the Bailey, hear me, man. Me don't understand my friend, son, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a brethren, you know.
Yeah.
He cry, baby, moonshine, dad. Take off his shoes and go to your bed. And even when you go,
Watch me now. Take it up. Watch me again. Give me now. Not to me cry. Wipe the tears on me eye. But if a guy ever test him, surely go and die. Not to me cry. Wipe the tears on me eye. If a guy ever test, surely die. Big up. One girl a day. One girl a day. One me name me and Tiger be pray. Who not the stress. Quanta think to say. Had my one and Tiger out the boss DJ. When me hold the microphone, me and flash it one away. Yes, Papa San, you want the champion. Not to me cry. Wipe the tears on me eye. If a guy ever test, surely go and die. Not to me cry. Wipe the tears on me eye. Settle and
see.
Tiger!
Yo.
I'm going to borrow this for 1 second.
Yeah, go on. Me and tie my shoes.
And settle. It's like boiling water in the kettle. Now, Michelle, don't worry yourself, XY. Halloween Wiggy, don't worry yourself. Now, hear this. You have some fast-mouth people.
Right. Them no have no time for see for them business, but them see for you one.
I wonder.
Anytime them are fasting on your business, I want you tell them this. Soup is in the market and beef is in the bone.
Right.
What don't concern you, dirty nigger? Leave it alone.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Watch me, girl, pick you ready. Watch me. She have the bumper body with the back like on the wall. Stop it. Come again. Hey. I think we have the whole line up here. Soup is in the market and beef is in the bone. What don't concern you, dirty nigger? Leave it alone!
Yes!
Leave it alone! Mama Nancy, don't worry.
Let's bring it on this.
Alright.
Stop it!
Stop it!
Good afternoon. Here's the news. Great two looking for Mobuga, Mama Jawi Pop Wheel and Center, Killer Brown Brown Socks to me, Pop One Longity. When I present Admiral Bailey, Iggy, step up! Iggy!
Anyway, maybe those good old go and have me out, no? Yeah, my man. Him. Watch me. She have the bumper body with the park light on it. Roll. Come, girl. I want to see the bumper body with the park light on it. And let me examine it. She have the bumper body, the park light on it. Come, girl, let me examine it. Put on the indicator when you go around the corner. When you're in a fall, girl, put on the wiper. Sink the clutch and the key in the gears. Step on the gas and if you want to go faster. Step on the brakes at the base and the bumper body, the park light on it. Park up, y'all, and let me examine it. Put on the indicator and you go around the corner. Pick up a puncher, put on the flash. Rub down your dashboard with your overall. Front it up to date, back it up to date. Also me get to know the girl well great. Hard cars and me and them a go fight. Now get a ride, not even half of the tailpipe. Bumper body with the park light on it. Park up, y'all, and let me examine it. Stand. Watch it, me cry. My name is Daddy Sansi. I'm all as a 20. Wheel! I well, stop it again, man. Let's juggle our final piece of the item. See? See? Good night! Tiger, respect. Juggle our final piece of the piece. Hey, hold on!
Mortify.
Hold on! People!
Mortify.
Hold on, Tiger, don't cut you. You see me? Me love them. Bad. Over the years, I buy my record and I support me. But you don't go one lyrics from me from come up on stage, no? Tiger.
Yeah.
I'm Tiger. I'm Papa San.
Alright, line up Tiger, we'll get them a one piece in a combination. Now when you come in, you see our lyrics we teach. Hey, look at them. We easy like Sunday man when I worry ourselves, you know. Saying, we easy like Sunday man because we can't bomb, we can't done.
Alright, I like how you do that. I like when you put on the cloud on it.
You know why?
I like that.
You know why? Because we are not finished. It's all right. Go. Yes. No, talk. It's all right. Go on, talk.
Go on, Bill. Now, hear this.
Oh, God.
I'm going to just trim down the piece like a bit.
Loving a bad.
Like food. Hey, you have some man, you know, woman. They love you, know. And through them claim say a woman a man for look woman. Then I no time, but them a love pretend like say them no want them woman, you know. But you hear me? No. You have some man, you know. Them no like tell the woman the truth, you know. The woman will go away and they no want the woman go away, you know. And just because them name man, they no want to say, girl, no go away. Me want you. Me love you. So you swear for me, woman, I go away, Tiger. Listen what me tell her.
And I'm leaving here tomorrow.
All right, baby. All right, Tiger. Sing it, brother.
Yeah.
Sing it, brother.
Easy like.
Oh, Sulama. Sing it.
I'll tell you what, baby. Cause I'm easy like Sunday morning. Why do I get romantic, man?
I know that you want to leave me. me, girl. But I refuse to let you go. Even if I have to cry and plead for your sympathy, no, I don't mind. Cause you mean that much to me. Ain't too proud to bear.
Take it off.
Sweet darling, please don't leave me, girl.
Lovely baby.
Don't, no.
Take it off, Sachi. Hear me now. Because a lot of man not getting up on it tonight. And a lot of girl not getting up on it tonight. Cause I'm easy. Tiger, we're easy like a Sunday morning.
I just want to say this to all of you. Could you be loved and be loved? Oh, could you be loved? Love you, ladies and gentlemen.
Could you be loved?
Hey, me they know, hey, that boy I used to sing for, you know, they know. What do they know? I wasn't expecting this.
Yeah.
Falling in love this way.
Jesus.
But out of the blues you stole my heart. Jeez. Music is damn your bro.
Hey.
Hey, come back to your time now.
You
Take it down.
Cupid. Try.
Take it down now. Hear me now. 40 nights when I wash her in between. 30 days she not take a bath. And she have some dirty company. And Papa San seeing you on a part. Me send the girl now no mind. Take it down. Watch me again. I know the blasting girl I no mind. Watch me again now. Watch me again, people. Give me now. Tiger, give me now. Give me now. But every night I wash my briefs so clean. And I hung them on the line. Some concubine was passing by and stole them off the line. The drawers is mine.
Oh boy. Don't worry.
I know the doggone drawers is mine.
I'm going to take it down just like this. Loving you, girl. It is so blind to see. You're letting me go. And I just got to tell you, it's gonna take a miracle. It's gonna take a miracle to
Let me love someone new. Cause I'm crazy for you.
for you, baby.
Tiger, I think it's time for us to say goodbye. And let us wish all these lovely fans good night.
Never
We
gonna
love you
say
all.
goodbye.
Bye!
Never gonna say
We said
goodbye.
bye.
No.
We're going
Memories don't live like people.
Wagwan ENT.